In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notifications in Notion. Notion is a versatile tool that allows you to streamline personal productivity and team collaboration. One of its key features is the ability to set up notifications, ensuring you never miss important updates or tasks. Today, we'll walk through a few simple steps to enable notifications in your Notion account. To get started, we'll navigate from the Notion homepage. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so. Once you're on the homepage, head over to the lower left corner of the screen where you'll find the Settings option. Clicking on this will open a menu with various configurable options that help personalize your Notion experience. Within the Settings menu, you'll notice a tab labeled Notifications. Click on this tab to delve into the notification settings where you can manage how and when you receive alerts. Here, you can enable email notifications, which are extremely handy if you want to stay updated with your Notion activity without having to be logged in all the time. Just toggle the email notifications option, and whenever there are updates, they'll be directly sent to your inbox. In addition to email notifications, you can also configure in-app notifications for specific activities within your workspace. When you're working on a project, it's often crucial to get timely reminders about deadlines or meetings. Notion has a very convenient way to set these up. By typing the / command followed by Reminder. Simply go into your desired page or task in your Notion workspace, type Reminder, and set the date and time according to your needs. This versatility is one of Notion's strengths, allowing reminders for anything from team deadlines to personal to-do lists. Don't forget that tailored notifications can significantly enhance team collaboration too. By setting up workspace notifications, you ensure that everyone on your team stays in the loop about pertinent updates, fostering efficiency and minimizing miscommunication. Whether you're working solo or in a team, harnessing the notification features in Notion can greatly boost your workflow. And that wraps up our guide on how to add notifications in Notion. Remember, taking a few minutes to set these up is a great investment in keeping you and your team organized and on track. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your digital tools. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.